So I'm out with this friend last night, and we get into talking about his ex. He point blank hated her. She had rule after rule after rule of what he was allowed to do or not. Got me thinking though, while those rules were a pure nightmare, in real estate though, knowing rules can keep you in the game and out of trouble. Welcome back, savvy investors. It's Amit Grover, and today at ECMP Studios, we are tackling the essential but less glamorous side of property management: legal compliance and risk management. It's like the rule book of dating. You don't always want to read it, but it keeps things smooth and drama free. Navigating the legal landscape of property management means staying updated on landlord-tenant laws, which vary by state and even city. Whether it's security deposit limits or eviction procedures, understanding these laws is crucial. Think of it as knowing the do's and don'ts in a relationship, what you can and cannot say or do. Risk management begins with thorough tenant screening, which we covered in a previous video. Having dependable tenants helps you avoid legal troubles. But wait, there's more. Conducting regular property inspections allows you to catch and address issues before they turn into nightmares. It's similar to regularly checking in with your partner to ensure everything is fine. Insurance is another cornerstone of risk management. Beyond just having it, you need the right types. From general liability to loss of income insurance, each policy serves as a safety net for different scenarios. It's like knowing what to do if your date bails last minute. Having a backup plan keeps you covered. Lastly, always keep detailed records. From every repair request to rent payments and correspondence with your tenants. Document everything. These records can be lifesavers in disputes. They are the receipts you pull out when there's a disagreement about who said what. If you have ever encountered a legal challenge or have insights on risk management strategies that worked, share those experiences below. Your knowledge could help fellow landlords navigate their own legal landscapes. Next up, we're moving into property maintenance and management. Keeping your property in top shape is like keeping your dating life active and interesting. It attracts the right attention. Remember, if you need help sorting through the legal maze or managing risks, reach out to us at ECMP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert advice. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay